Right, so in this video we're going to be going over how to iterate through a dictionary inside your for loop. We'll be using the topics covered in previous videos, such as setting up dictionaries and for loops, and also string concatenation. So if you haven't watched those, I recommend going back through the playlist and watching those first. Right, so yeah, I think that's all I need to say before we get into it, so let's roll the intro. Right, so one sec, let me just reset the timer and let's get straight into it. So first let's create a dictionary, and I'm going to use the example we had before called house keys. I'm going to say that bronze is to bronze is to Jamie, silver is to Max, and gold, let's say, is to John. Now let's start the for loop and let's set the variable house equal to our iteration. Now when we iterate through a dictionary, we're not setting the variable equal to all of this, we're just setting it equal to the key. So the first iteration, house is equal to bronze. Let's say for house in house keys. Now what are we going to do? Let's use some string concatenation. First, I want to access the value Jamie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the dictionary house keys and ask it to find the value associated with our current key. And our current key is stored in the variable house. Now let's concatenate on to unlock your house. You need the. And then let's concatenate. Now let's concatenate on the key, which is stored in house. Sorry, not as a string. We need the value. And now let's add on key just to complete the sentence and run it. So we should see as it loops through, it's going to take the key and store it in house, and then put the value in straight at the start of the sentence using this. And it does. Jamie, to unlock your house, you need the bronze key, and so on, so on. So that's all we're going to cover for dictionaries and for loops. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.